Compassion and dignity, that's what fuels our next guest. CareMore Health treats patients and families with the care they deserve, serving over 100,000 patients from coast to coast. And here with more on CareMore Health is Regional Medical Officer Dr. Syed Akhtar, along with Care Center Manager Irene Heron. It's great having both of you. Welcome in.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
So tell us more about CareMore Health. What are you guys up to?
So CareMore is a nationally recognized integrated healthcare delivery system. We're actually celebrating our 25th year anniversary this year. It was founded by a group of really passionate doctors who felt really that they could provide better care in a more coordinated fashion. As you kind of mentioned, we have about 150,000 patients enrolled in Medicare and Medicaid across the country at this point. In Vegas, we started in 2009. Where we're now taking care of almost 8,000 patients.
Fantastic.
At our 3 CareMore care centers, as well as the hospitals and some of the other facilities in town as well. We're all about transforming healthcare, not doing things the way that they've been traditionally done.
Because the way that they've been traditionally done is not always great.
Unfortunately,
You can
yes.
improve upon it for
Yes,
sure.
yes.
There's a lot of health systems out there that you see. What makes CareMore different than the rest?
Yeah, so when you I like to start with patient stories. So when I first started working with CareMore, I went out with our social worker to see a patient at home, out there in Henderson, which is kind of far out there.
Yeah.
When we showed, it was 100 degrees outside, in the middle of summer.
Sounds about right.
Right. So we walk into the patient's home, and it was really quite a sight.
Yeah.
The patient is sitting by himself, alone, in an apartment without AC, without light,
Wow.
with nobody else to help them, no place to store his insulin for his diabetes. You walk into his kitchen, you open the fridge, there's no food there.
Wow.
And you ask yourself, how is this person alive? Or how are they living? So what did CareMore do for him? Our social worker connected with him who needed resources. We provided him with free transportation to come into our clinics. We made sure that we were engaging family and friends in the area to come see him. We were able to enroll him in our loneliness program, first of its kind in the country, to address specifically the fact that he had no one to talk to.
And that is a common thing. It's not very uncommon.
Yeah, certainly if you live around here and
Yeah.
you start seeing, you realize there's a lot of seniors living out here who have no one to turn to, and we don't even know it until we show up like this.
Yeah.
So this is not your traditional doctor's office, and those services are usually not provided when you think of, oh, I'm going to go see my doctor today. That's what
not.
CareMore is.
That's fantastic. That really goes above and beyond. Let's talk about the other programs and services that CareMore offers.
Yes, we offer a variety of programs to help empower patients and families to take ownership over their health. We have programs such as diabetes management. We also manage lung disease, chronic kidney disease. We also have behavior health, a behavior health team that helps anybody who has behavior health needs. We have a nutritionist who provides education to members who have specific chronic conditions. She provides types of education to what types of foods to eat or what types of foods to stay away from, and
that would be helpful not just for seniors, by the way. I could
absolutely,
use that as well.
absolutely. And we also have an exercise program where our members go and they interact with one another, and they play volleyball, they have dance, they have trainers on site that help assist with them to exercise, and we also do toenail trimming in the care centers.
Believe it or not, is like our most popular service. People, seniors come in to get their toenails trimmed.
Yes,
Well done. Listen,
absolutely. Get your toenails done.
It's like CareMore is beyond just like your regular doctor's office situation. This is like physical health, mental health, and social health.
Yes.
Which is really important. And I know you guys are going to be at the Spotlight Spectacular. What can we expect when we stop by the booth?
Yeah, so as you can imagine, based on everything that we've told you, partnering with community organizations that provide these needed social services to our patients out in the community is really critical to us. So we're actually really proud to be a sponsor of a program like this. So you're going to have over 100 exhibitors who will be there providing information on services that are available to these patients and their caregivers. It's not just about the patients, but especially with our seniors, it's about the folks that take care of them as well.
Absolutely.
So ultimately, we will be there, and all of these other exhibitors will be there, and we feel like we'll be able to provide these folks with resources they may not even know exist at this point.
Absolutely. You have 3 different CareMore locations in the Valley?
3 CareMore locations.
Okay.
We also partner with community primary care doctors around the network. And
Excellent.
then our doctors, the nice thing is we're the same doctors that go to the hospitals, that go to the nursing facilities, and that are in our care centers. It's the same person. So you get this continuity of care across the spectrum.
You're not getting bounced from person to person to person
Right,
as you go
right,
along.
exactly.
That's fantastic. We want to learn more and possibly enroll. How do we do so?
If you want to learn more about CareMore, you can go to www.caremore.com.
Okay.
Or you can call one of our local care centers. Our number is 702-233-4950.
Awesome. We have that right there on your screen.
And if you need the address, it's 2601 North Tenaya Way.
She's good. I would never. I couldn't tell you my home address right now.
That's why we had to make sure that she came over.
Yeah, exactly. There we go. She's the address remember. It's great having you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Listen, this is why CareMore, they're a model of care. It really achieves positive outcomes for their patients, both physically, mentally, and socially. They're located on North Tenaya, just north of Smoke Ranch. You can call their number or visit their website on your screen. CareMore Health is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend and will be at this weekend's Spotlight Spectacular, as you should be too.